since Lex has a permit, we're gonna go ahead and go for our first drive around the block. She waits for you to finish going.
Really?
You need to read your driver's manual. We had a chance for Lex to meet Frank, the band member of MCR. We are going to start with the baby food challenge. Spin in the bowl if you're gonna spin it. What does it taste like? So we both ended up spitting.
When I wake up, what do you there? Is this even real? Only thing that kept my heart beating. No one missing things, so stay wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. But when I wake up, I can't help but to wonder, is this even
Hi darlings, welcome back to our channel and happy October 1st. It is our first Vlogtober that we're ever going to be doing.
I thought it
So
was Vlogtober.
we're gonna be filming every single day for the month of October for 31 days straight up until Halloween. We're gonna go ahead and get started, and I think the first thing that we're gonna do is jump into something fun. So why not start off with the challenge and eat some baby food?
Vámonos.
Come on, vámonos. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going? All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this baby food challenge started. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we're going to start with the baby food challenge. Yana, our intern, is going to be handing us 6 different baby food flavors. Are you hungry, Lex? Cause you're about to eat some shit.
What?
Yana! You know, wash her mouth out with some soap, huh? So Yana's back here with all the baby food, and she's gonna go ahead and serve it up.
Okay, wait, can you make your spoon not crooked, Christine?
Oh, okay.
Thank you. The entire spoon, the entire spoonful. The entire spoonful, Lex.
Ugh.
Hmm.
You like it?
Sweet
Are you
potato.
sure there's no meat in this?
Yes.
I think I taste turkey. I'm not kidding.
It's not turkey.
Are you no? Double check. Look at the
It's a
ingredients.
veggie puree. Yeah, there's nothing in there. That says meat. It literally says vegan.
That tasted like turkey.
You probably like it now.
Are you positive?
Yes, I'm positive.
I like that one. It tastes like sweet potato.
Okay, so we're supposed to guess what it is. Okay, so
Sweet
I'm gonna
potato.
guess.
Vegetable puree.
I'm guessing there's peas in that.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ew.
Can I open my eyes now?
No, just
No.
put it in your mouth.
I don't want it.
In your mouth. Entire spoon, Lex.
Sweet potato.
Yeah, a little bit of sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Called it.
And then garbanzo beans.
Next one.
Lex, put it in your mouth.
Mmm.
Lex.
Smells like vegetable.
Lex, mouth.
Mmm.
Applesauce.
Apple mango? I don't know.
Pears, green beans, peas, water, and chia seeds.
There's no apples?
No.
No? Okay, we both failed that one.
Okay, Lex. Mouth. Mouth. Mouth.
Ugh. Ugh. Are you serious?
What are you doing, serious?
Ugh.
Put it in your mouth. You're cheating. You need to do the same thing as your mother.
I'm not even like picky, but that tastes like mold.
You know what mold tastes like?
Tastes really good.
What is in that? I guess dragon fruit.
Beets.
Bananas, beets, butternut
Good
squash,
job.
blueberries, and then lemon juice.
Thank you for the hint. All of your beets are gross.
You liked it, Lex. It's on footage. You said, mmm.
Well, it smells bad.
2 more, guys.
Lex, can you please put the entire spoon in your mouth?
That one's good.
3, 2, 1.
Carrots.
Apple.
Okay, you guys both get a point. Carrots, apples, and pumpkin.
Pumpkin, I like that one. That was my favorite one so far.
Fall. Pumpkin.
Fall. This is for the basic babies out there.
Spoon's ready.
Mm-hmm.
Lex, mouth. Mouth, Lex. Mouth, Lex.
Ew. Why
Ew.
Lex,
Wow.
mouth.
Why
Put it in your
Ew.
mouth. Lex didn't have it yet. Lex, put it in your mouth.
Spit in the bowl if you're gonna spit it. What does it taste like? So we both ended up spitting in this challenge, but for the last one,
Really
I
bad.
think
There's 2 ingredients. Lex, you guess first.
Poop.
fecal
You know what
matter.
You guys both guessed
It
vegetables.
smells like dog food.
Rotten vegetables. Pork blood.
It's only vegetables, guys.
Flamingo.
Tree.
Lavender lilies.
Plant.
Trump.
Hillary.
Hitler. Gerard Way.
Frank Cairo.
I had a dream about Gerard Way last night.
That just,
I do like 90%.
I had a dream about listening to Gerard.
you did say that.
She's giving me the side eye.
I said,
Your mother's not having those kind of dreams.
Guys, can you please guess 2 vegetables?
Marijuana.
Can you name 2 vegetables? Okay.
Celery, potato.
Celery and dirt.
It's carrots and broccoli. Why do I feel like you guys tied? Did you?
That's okay.
Lex,
which one do you want to
I've
keep?
watched you guys eat.
You can try one. They're really good.
Look at me.
The way.
Look at me.
I don't want to join these
Look at
session.
me. Look
I'm
at me.
thinking of thumbnail holding
Look
it.
at me.
I don't know.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
How long have you been saying that?
For the past like 40 seconds.
Alright guys, so in this next part of the vlog, this clip is actually from
August 11th.
And that's right, and if you guys know Lex, you guys know how obsessed Lex is with My Chemical Romance. We've done a couple music videos to their songs, referenced them in multiple vlogs, sung their songs a million times. Lex has done many My Chemical Romance covers on Lex's personal channel and Instagram. So you guys know how obsessed Lex is with My Chemical Romance, and we had a chance for Lex to meet Frank, the band member of MCR. We've actually had 2 conversations with him because we stalked him after the concert.
Did you say stalked?
I did say stalk,
No,
sweetie.
we just waited outside for like 2 hours.
Also known as stalk, sweetie. But it's okay because it was worth it because we got a picture and we had a conversation. So Lex has the same guitar, had a video where Lex was covering My Chemical Romance's song, Welcome to the Black Parade. As you'll see in the video, I ended up showing him that video clip. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys Frank Iroh's concert. So this is Lexity's dream come true right now. We are going to an MCR concert. No, just kidding.
Frank's.
We're going to Frank's concert. Teenagers scared
No.
the living out of me. But I'm like, just like a match you
No, wrong man.
What? Alright guys, so we're at the Rock concert now. So are you ready to see Frank? Yeah. Old man over here wants to plug his ears. And I'm over here being an old lady I can't see. So ready to see a little piece of MCR, right? Right.
Los Angeles, how we feeling tonight? There's nothing for me there. Our hearts deep, scared by borders, said I acted so when I should've known better. Yo, 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 yo.
He said, I don't know. The chances are of taking a picture. Guys, so Frank is about to come out right there, we think. So we're pretty much stalking him in the back alley.
Oh. No.
I'm gonna try to get Lexity a picture with Frank. Did you have fun at the concert?
Yes, I did.
Lex, come here.
Go.
Go, go, go.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Lex just met and took a picture with Frank. Oh my god! And he's right over there. This is our first time to meet.
How do you feel?
All about meeting one of the members of the
I'm very happy.
1 down, 4 to go?
1 down, 3 to go. Shook Lexity's hand.
That's cool. Go. He's not talking to anyone.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Thank you for the show. I came in 2015 and it was awesome. I think tonight was a year of yeah.
Super cool, man.
Can I show you something? This is how she inspired Lex.
Wow, very cool.
She got the guitar.
That's awesome.
So she literally, that's how she was inspired.
That's so rad.
Yeah. So thank you.
Very cool. Keep it up.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Thank you. Hey, thank you. Cool.
So you write songs?
Wait, can I tell you one more thing?
Okay, here you go.
Alright guys, so Lex is at about the age where you can almost get the driver's license. Since Lex has a permit, we're gonna go ahead and go for our first drive around the block. Let's go ahead and see if Lex has learned anything off GTA.
Okay.
First things first, seat belts on. Foot on the brake.
No, my foot is on the brake.
Okay, then you pull this down and drive. Does it say D?
Yep.
Okay, take your brake off.
I know.
And then make sure you look in your rear view mirror.
Okay.
You can't just drive off without looking at your rear view mirror.
Okay, why?
Why? Okay, you gotta be careful. See how that thing's on the ground?
I see. I'm not blind. Can I bump them?
No.
Can I get them for 2 points?
No, Lex, this isn't real GTA. Pull it, like, drive like a normal person. Make sure you have to look into your rear view mirror before you even get back into the lane.
My braking was smoother than yours.
I knocked off my parents' rear view mirror from a trash can and I picked it up and I turned around and picked it back up, brought it home, placed the broken rear view mirror on the driveway right next to the car, and then tried claiming, oh, somebody came with a baseball bat and just like hit it off. They didn't believe me. Lex, that is literally, you don't have a stop sign.
I was waiting for them to go.
No, she waits for you to finish going.
Really?
You need to read your driver's manual. All right, Lex, you ready to listen to some music?
Yeah, but the driver gets to choose.
Not today, because I'm playing a theme song perfect for this drive.
There's a garage opening. I'm scared.
Are you done driving?
Yeah, I'm gonna park right here, then you can swap spots with me and drive.
Lex, hit brake.
I know how to drive! There you go. I'm never driving with you in the car again.
That you got a lot to learn, kiddo.
You too.
So I've been waking up so early in the morning, you guys, and I am so proud of that and feel so accomplished by doing that. And that is because I literally started reading this book called The Miracle Morning, recommended by my friend Janet, and that's been amazing. So we're gonna, since we're all gussied up, I'm ready to go pretty much, we're gonna go ahead and see what Lexini is up to, since I'm sure you guys are wondering what the star of the show is doing at this hour of the day. Realistic vlog, guys. Lexini's room's a little bit of a mess. I keep telling that kid to go to bed early. Got lemon and water. Okay, guys, it's round 2 of waking up a teen. Get up! Get up, foo. Let's go. Time to gizzo, out the hizzo, the shizzo, if you want some breakfast dizzo. Love you. Love you, baby. Love you, baby. Love that kid. Come on, kid, wake up. Oh, look who's up and rolling out of bed now, huh?
After like an hour of you waking me up.
So, Lex, you're eating what?
Knock off Cocoa Puffs
From where?
from Trader Joe's.
Cool. Yum, 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 yum. All right, guys, so just right now, we're going to Chris's work to drop off his AirPods that he left at home, and he can't survive without his AirPods for some reason, so we gotta bring it. So this is where Chris works. Hand your daddy his AirPods.
No.
Okay, guys, we just got our juice. Okay, guys. Oh, fuck. Welcome to my day in the life. This is Yana.
Hey!
Yana, she is our intern for the next month. How you doing back there, girl?
I'm thriving.
She's thriving, she's looking cute, she's crop topping today. She's got her curly hair on, she's about to get her extension. She cool, right?
I am, as the mothers say,
What happened
cool.
Look at my eyes. They're like gone.
I know, this camera's been weird. All right, guys, we're off to the Salvation Army to do some treasure hunting because Lexini wants to look for some stuff for her costume. Oh my gosh, what is this?
Visit a branch or go to usbank.com.
Lex, you see this? Come here.
US Bank, the power of possible. See a banker or visit usbank.com.
Look at this.
The rare chance to get the latest Dell and Alienware computers.
Squad goals.
15% off.
So we're at the thrift store right now, and we've all got our gloves on. Strumming my pain with this finger. Singing my life with his words.
I am an off-brand Visco girl. And I oop. Do you have a metal straw or a plastic straw? Because you need a metal straw, so this is technically not Visco girl worthy.
Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day.
Okay, I see you, Lex.
Explain what exactly you're looking for, Lex.
Clothes that look like they've been lived in for like years and like they went through a lot. My costume's gonna post them off closely.
Why don't you just get something from the mall?
It's better here because I can actually tear it up and like make like.
Or something from like Ross or something.
No.
Somebody from Lex's school donated their pants. Your old school before you got into homeschool. Call of Duty pants. And we came out with nothing. On our way to get some lunch. Okay guys, so I successfully got my first box of actual food and we're going to get some pastries. Everybody's picking out one of these guys. Get some of that, we got some of that, we got some of that, we got some of that.
Mini chocolate cannoli.
Ooh, cannoli, huh? And then what else did you get for your lunch?
Sushi.
What'd you get for lunch?
Okay, let's go at home.
You want to eat at home? Okay. Every time I come to Whole Foods, I get brown rice and then this curry vegetables. It's so damn good. This is like my lunch spot on a daily basis. Since I've been on my cleanse, how I've missed you. Oh my god, we got so lucky. It did not open. It did not open. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make my own dressing. See this juice right here? Yep. That's how we roll. Wait, did I get it on the counter?
You were saying and you just missed entirely. You started pouring all over the counter.
Oops. Let me be cool.
I would say Coolio.
Say cool, sweetie.
Why can't I say Coolio?
Say it with me. Cool. There you go. So I'm at my friend Sheila's beautiful office right now, and we're gonna be recording a podcast episode, and I'm so excited. We're gonna be talking about a lot of fun stuff right now. You guys will check it out, but I want you guys to meet Sheila in just 1 second. Oh, Sheila, so pretty. Oh my gosh. This woman inspires me so much. Seriously, this lady inspires me so much. All right, guys, so here's my amazing friend, Sheila. So she is such a huge motivation, you guys. I'm going to show you guys her studio where she does permanent makeup.
Microblading, lip color,
Yeah.
permanent eyeliner, so you don't have raccoon eyes, you know, at 2 a.m.
Yeah,
when the
I need
lights
that.
go on.
I feel like I need my brows done, so I don't have to spend like 30 minutes a day on
I'd
it.
love to do your brows.
That would be so cool. So we're gonna record a podcast right now. Alrighty, darlings, thank you so much for watching our very first Vlogtober video. We are so excited to be doing vlogs every day for the next 31 days, but we are going to need some help from you, darlings. So please comment down below if there's like any video ideas, whether it's supposed to be like Halloween themed, super scary stuff, pranks, stuff in LA that you guys want us to do, or even like super simple casual type things to see us doing in vlogs. Comment down below. We need your guys' ideas. Alrighty, darlings, if you guys haven't already joined our DMO Darling family, go ahead and do so by hitting the red button down below and the notification button as well, so that you can be the first to be notified of all these crazy videos that we do on our channel. And if you haven't followed us on social media, we'll have our links right here and listed down below as well. As always, we love you, darlings, very much, and we will talk to you later. Happy Vlogtober, darlings. Mwah.
Don't wanna miss a thing, so stay wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for signs.
Actually good days because it kind of like, I wasn't antisocial, but I didn't know how to approach people at the time. I didn't have confidence in myself. And I felt like being forced to like approach people first and talk to them. I started to realize, hey, you know what, maybe sometimes people are just as afraid to approach me as I am of them. So you kind of have a little bit of power there when you realize that.
Social skills are really important.
It really is. Yeah.
And Hooters like taught you that.
Yeah, definitely.
I can totally relate with that.
Yeah?
Because when I got my serving job back in the day at Dylan's Irish Pub, and I was, you know, basically doing a similar job.
Thing, yeah.
Right. It did help me get out of my...
It does, for sure. It's the weirdest thing, but, you know, Hooters was a really good experience for me.
Yeah.
It was valuable. It taught me a lot of lessons in life.
How long did you work there?
I worked there for a little over a year, and then that's right before I moved to LA to pursue, you know, something bigger. I just knew I wanted something bigger.